Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that JimmyBossCollective token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, JimmyBossCollective, it is the cornerstone of a movement to bring real utility, lasting value, and deep community engagement into the heart of Web3. In a world full of hype-driven projects, JBC stands for something different: sustainability, transparency, and purpose. They are not here to write trend; they are here to build the foundation of the future-ready ecosystem. Their vision and mission at JBC, they envision a decentralized world where opportunity is not reserved for the few but unlocked by the many. Their mission is clear: to connect people with real value by creating system where commitment, contribution, and integrity are the driven focus of success. According to website, Jimmy Boss Collective project institution rating is 3.1. Jimmy Boss Collective token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is 50 million JBC token. JBC token is listed on ninja.io and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.